My name is Cheyenne Hamilton. I'm going to be doing a usability test on Barbie's instructions on how to compile basketball statistics in Excel. Um, First of all, just by looking at it, I would say that the table of contents should definitely be bolded. It just kind of is like mixing in with the rest of the wording and it doesn't really stand out. Also, you don't have any page numbers or anything over here. And then going down to the introduction, just read this real quick. It says, compiling basketball statistics, and statistics is an excellent way to track the data of both individual athletes as well as an entire team. The systematic arrangement of statistical figures allows for the viewer to visualize both strengths and weaknesses. This method may be particularly helpful for coaching, blank, or for hobbyists. I'm not sure why you have a blank there, but you probably want to remove that. It goes on to say this form of data tracking is perfect for basketball fans of all ages. Then you say indicate the specific tasks or procedures to be explained as well as the scope of coverage. Indicate what the audience needs in terms of knowledge and background to understand. So I feel like this is mainly just like notes for yourself. I'm not sure why you had it included in the rough draft. Also in the technical definition, I would definitely say that you would need a technical definition and you should probably look into getting that written for this. Caution, it is important that you are advised that in order to access Microsoft Excel, you will need to have purchased Microsoft Office. That's a pretty good caution. You also say if you do not turn on autosave or make certain to save your work upon any exit from the Excel program, work may be lost and unable to be accessed again. It is advised to continually save progress or allow the program to save on any changes to the file. So this might be a note and a caution. I would definitely say just go ahead and leave it as a caution. And then on the step-by-step instructions, you start off with open your computer. You may choose to use a desktop, a PC, or any method in which both the internet and Microsoft Excel can be accessed. And then you say, if your computer does not have Excel, you may follow these steps. You should probably include steps on how to download Excel. If people don't have it, it might be nice to add in. And then you go ahead and say, open Excel from your computer's home screen. It should be located in the dock, or you're using a MacBook. You may utilize the Finder tool. I would just like to mention that my computer does not have Excel in the dock. It did not come with Excel in the dock, and so you should probably, I have a Microsoft computer, and just like on a MacBook, you can still type it into the search bar and bring it up just as well. I would also probably include a picture of what the Excel logo looks like. So go ahead and open this up. And then step 3, select the blank workbook tab and click the create tab. Oh. First of all, I did not see a create tab. I just clicked on it, and once you select it, it should just go through. I'm not sure if it's different for MacBook, but on my Microsoft computer, that's how it's working. And you said, once your worksheet is open, click File from the drop-down menu. And I'm not sure that that's a drop-down menu as much as it is just like a bar at the top of the screen. And then step 5 from File, select Save As. You said name the document. Actually, before you name the document in Excel, you have to choose where you're saving it as, so you should probably go ahead and include that step in there. And then you'll be able to name the file. And then you don't have a step 6. That's basically where that ends, so you should probably finish out the rest of the instructions. I'm not sure what happened there. And then your conclusion is that creating an Excel document to view the basketball statistics of your favorite team is an efficient and organized way to keep track of, and you just kind of stopped off there. So I'm not I'm not 100% sure what happens to the instructions, but I would definitely go ahead and finish them out. I would include some graphics, basically what the Excel looks like, what it's going to look like when you click one document, and also go ahead and change, at least bold the table of contents, like bold it or make it stand out more, and definitely include those page numbers.